Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a milkshake from dairy milk. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need some cold dairy milk, your favorite ice cream, and any flavorings you desire, like chocolate syrup or fresh fruit. Using full-fat milk and good quality ice cream will give you the creamiest, most delicious result. Get ready to blend up a treat. Now let's get blending. Pour your cold dairy milk into the blender first, followed by your scoops of ice cream. If you're adding any syrups, fruit, or other flavorings, toss them in now. Secure the lid and blend on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth and has a thick, creamy consistency. This usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. Once blended, taste your milkshake and adjust as needed. If it's too thick, add a splash more milk. If it's too thin, a little more ice cream will do the trick. Pour your perfect milkshake into a tall, chilled glass. For an extra special touch, top it with whipped cream, a drizzle of sauce, or some colorful sprinkles. Enjoy your delicious creation right away. Here are a few pro tips for the ultimate milkshake experience. Always chill your serving glasses in the freezer for at least 15 minutes before pouring. This keeps your milkshake colder for longer. Also, consider using frozen fruit instead of fresh for an even thicker texture and more intense flavor. For other great deals, including leak-proof containers to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.